Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your time management with Trello, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating a Trello account if you don't have one already. Visit the Trello website and click on the sign up button. Fill in your details or use an existing Google account to register. Once logged in, you'll see a dashboard with the option to create a new board. Click on Create New Board. Give your board a descriptive name related to your tasks. Choose a background color or image that motivates you. Select the visibility for your board, either private, workspace visible, or public. Now that your board is set up, it's time to create lists. Lists help you organize your tasks into manageable categories. Start by creating a list for tasks that need to be done today. Click on Add a List and type To Do to create your first list. Next, create a doing list for tasks you're currently working on. Add a done list to track tasks you've completed. With your lists ready, it's time to add cards for specific tasks. Click on Add a Card under the to-do list to create your first task. Enter a clear title for the task and click Add Card. You can open the card to add details, due dates, and attachments. Set a due date to help prioritize your tasks. Use labels to categorize tasks by urgency or type. Add checklists within cards to break down larger tasks into smaller steps. Once you've added all your tasks, sort them by priority. Drag and drop cards to reorder them as needed. When you begin working on a task, move it to the doing list. This visual representation helps you see your progress. Upon completing a task, move it to the done list. Celebrating small wins can boost motivation and productivity. Review your lists regularly to adjust priorities as needed. Make it a habit to check Trello daily for updates and new tasks. Consider using calendar power-ups to visualize deadlines effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.